Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the different pupil filter on TikTok. So this is a pretty cool filter that gives you two different color pupils, and if you want to go ahead and get it, all you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That'll take you to the TikTok camera, and there where it says effects there at the bottom left, tap on effects, and you can see this filter right here that I'm pointing to is the different pupil filter. So if I tap on that, you can now see that I have two different pupils, which is pretty cool. Now all you need to do from here is record a simple video. So you can record something and you can do anything you would like, and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. Now what you can also do is use the popular magnifying glass sticker to enhance this a bit. So if I go ahead and tap on stickers over there, and then I scroll down until I find the magnifying glass sticker, which is this one right over here, what you can do is use this and put it over your eyes, something like that. This filter has, this sticker I would say, has been taken off, and then you just tap on stickers again, tap on the magnifying glass again, and then you can position it over your eyes like that. And then you can do the rest of the things you can do when you post on TikTok. You can add sounds, effects, text, and then tap on next at the bottom right, and then just go through the posting process. Describe your video, add your hashtags, tag your friends, and set your settings, and then go ahead and post it. But if you're not finding the filter from within those effects tab over here, what you can do is you can go out of the TikTok camera, so I'll discard that, and then in the search bar of the Discover tab, so you want to tap on the Discover tab right there, you tap on that and then you hit search, and then in the search bar you type different pupil, so I'll type that quick. Should pop up there. You type different pupil, and there you can see the effect right over there. You can tap on that, but if you're not seeing that, that means the filter hasn't been rolled out for your specific country just yet. So make sure you're always running the latest version of TikTok, and just keep an eye out on it underneath your trending tab on the TikTok camera, or you can search for it and then you can tap on it. You can add it to your favorites so you can use it later quickly, or you can tap the camera button at the bottom to go ahead and use it, and it'll just take a moment to get applied, and there you go. So that is how you get the different pupil filter on TikTok. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.